Hi, I'm Mark Michelson, Editor-in-Chief of Printing Impressions. With me, Brian Dollard, who's the Director of Strategic Planning and Business Development for the Commercial and Industrial Printing Business Group at Ricoh USA. Welcome, Brian.
Hi, Mark. Thanks for having me.
So, Brian, we've known each other a long time. What brought you to Ricoh?
It's a good question. Actually, a number of things. I've been looking at them for some time and talking to them. One of the things I learned is I think they're one of the best kept secrets in the industry. I think Ricoh's done a fantastic job of developing a portfolio that covers a lot of markets with a lot of technologies. Not just having that portfolio, but also being an innovator and a pioneer in the industry. First to the market with inkjet, one of the few manufacturers out there that actually manufactures their own inkjet heads, as well as a variety of other technologies from cut sheet to continuous form and wide format. And it really, for me, looked like an opportunity where I saw a company that was poised to grow, was committing to investing in the organization. And that's really not where I see a lot of other companies in the industry going right now. And that was very attractive to me. And so when the opportunity presented itself, it was a surprisingly easy decision to make.
Right. Well, this new business group alignment, what does that mean for the customer?
It's, I think this has a huge impact on the customer. It's, when I look at an organization like Ricoh, what I see is, great products, great people bringing that to the marketplace. I think one of the things that was a real surprise to me was the depth of the resources they have available to them. Again, I think one of the best kept secrets in the industry. You look at support, everybody talks about it, and it really is the big differentiator because, a lot of companies make great products, but it really is how do you shape the broader experience, that customer experience, and you do that by understanding their challenges, understanding their problems, prescribing solutions to their problems, or presenting new business opportunities that they weren't aware of by developing new technologies and being an agent for change in the business. But then you've got to make it work. You've got to bring the resources to bear to make it a successful implementation. And that's really you can look at that in two ways. It's a quantitative view and it's a qualitative view. Hands down, the largest service and support organization in the industry, addressing the highest service level of requirements, when you get into some of these transactional environments, and you must get it done at that time. But qualitative, when you look at diversity and skill set that I've not seen in this industry yet. We go well beyond just the printed piece and expand into other areas and disciplines inside of a business to impact that and ultimately present new business opportunities or make their business more efficient and effective and return a higher profit to them.
So I guess it's kind of a closing question. Where do you see the future for our industry and how do you see Ricoh kind of fitting into that?
A good question. I'm very strong on the future of this industry. I see us, working towards expanding our reach out into the marketplace, different types of services, going beyond just the printed piece. That's becoming a reality as opposed to, a wish at this point. So we're seeing great progress there. And that's one of the reasons I came to Ricoh is I see them becoming an agent for change. There's a lot of different areas that we participate in and drive change in that goes beyond just the printed piece. So it's that ability to be associated with a company like Ricoh where we serve as an advocate for the industry. Advocate both in terms of developing technologies that keep our customers at the forefront and improve their business opportunity out in the marketplace, but also as kind of a caretaker for the industry in the sense that we're going to work closely with industry associations. We're going to occupy board positions when it makes sense for us to do that, and we want to work tirelessly to advocate for the industry.
Great. Well, certainly our industry needs all the advocacy that we can get. Thank you so much for your time today, Brian, and thanks so much for watching PI Exchange. We'll see you next time.